Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adeline Opera. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this gorgeous look over here. This is my own version of the GlamGals makeup look. If you're interested in seeing how this look unfolded, then sit tight and enjoy. I already went ahead and cleaned my face. Next, I'm going in with this face moisturizer from Blossom Makeup. I'm just applying this all over my face. This usually takes me a while. So while moisturizing your face, don't forget to moisturize under your eyes. That place is usually dry, so moisturizing it will give it a bit of moisture. After moisturizing my face, I equally moisturize my lips. So I'm just going to wait for it to dry down. Next, I'm going in with this face primer from Hegai and Esther, and I'm just going to dab this into my skin, especially on the places I produce a lot of oil, which is practically everywhere. So yeah, I'm just going to be dabbing this into my skin, and yeah. I'm just going to allow this to dry down before I move on to the next stage. Next, I'm going in with this foundation from Avour Cosmetics in the shade 25, and I'm going to use this amount. It's not a lot, it's just the right amount I need. This particular foundation is not full coverage because I noticed that it didn't cover up some black spots on my face, unlike the Zaron Cosmetics foundation. But since we're going for a clean girl makeup look, minimal cream products will be needed. So for me, my version of the clean girl makeup is less of cream products and more of powder products. As you've seen in the video, I love to section my foundation application because I use mattifying foundations and they tend to dry quickly, so I section it. I use mattifying foundations because I'm an oily skin person. I produce a lot of oil on my face, so mattifying foundation is usually my go-to. Next, I'm going in with this liquid concealer and highlighter from Zaron Cosmetics in the shade Earth. I'm just going to section my highlighting because this particular concealer dries quickly. So this particular concealer is very close to my foundation shade, if not exactly. So when highlighting, it's usually advisable to start with a highlighter that is close to your foundation shade and then go in with a lighter shade later on. When blending, especially with a beauty sponge, popularly known as a beauty blender, it's advisable to use light hands. You don't want to use hard hands. Dabbing lightly will help you blend better and your makeup won't be patchy, unlike when you dab vigorously. Next, I'm going in with this liquid concealer from Zaron Cosmetics in the shade Light, and I'm just going to repeat the same process all over again. I'm not usually a fan of highlighting my forehead. I usually just skip it because my forehead is already pronounced and I don't need to draw more attention than it already has. And I'm going to highlight above my lips and then my jaw area, and yeah. I usually take a bit of the concealer left on the beauty sponge and conceal the corners of my lips to cancel out any form of discoloration. I'm going in with this setting spray from Anjieer Cosmetics to let the product sink in. I'll use the shade Sweet Honey from this Veebeauty powder palette to set the places that I highlighted. I'm just ensuring that under my eyes is blended properly to avoid creasing. I like to take a bit of that powder and dab it on my brows. This helps my brow pencil to be more visible and easy to draw. Next, I'll be using this maroon shade to contour my nose. This fluffy angled brush helps with contouring my nose easily. Just like I said, this is like a clean girl makeup look, so I decided to use less cream products, and that's why I was using powder to contour my nose instead of a cream contour. Now I'm just blending that out properly and also applying a bit of powder to the side. Now for contouring, I'm still using this maroon shade and this big angled fluffy brush to contour my face. I start by dabbing and then I use a circular motion. Now I'm going to add a bit of color to my cheeks with this CPD Blush Palette, and I'll be using this purple shade. Once I'm done with my skin work, I then move into my brows. So I kind of lost some clips. I didn't know that while I was drawing my brows it wasn't recording, so please bear with me. Yes, I like to use light strokes to draw my brows. As you can see, I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible. I'll be using this concealer from Zaron Cosmetics to highlight my brows, and this flat brush. You might want to take your time while doing this particular step. A steady hand is very key. I went in with my foundation shade for the inner and outer corners of my brows so it blends seamlessly with my skin, since I'm drawing my brows after skin work. Now for my eyes, I'll be using this liquid concealer in the shade Earth just to conceal my eyes. This will also form the base for my eyeshadow. For this particular step, you want to ensure that you blend your concealer properly and no area is missing. Next, I went in with the chocolate shade from the Veebeauty Cosmetics palette to set the concealer. This was what I used as my eyeshadow. Nothing too much, very simple and minimal. I went in with this mascara from Classic Makeup, and I'm just going to apply this in order to remove the powder fallout so it blends in with my false lashes. Next, I'm going in with this eyeliner just for that extra chic look. Honestly, I really loved how my eye look turned out. The eyeliner, everything was just given. Like, it was just given. You need to see it. I really love how this eyeliner turned out. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section and I'll do a more detailed version. Yeah, look at that. So next, I'm going in with these false lashes from Anjieer. I bought these particular false lashes randomly, and honestly I've come to love it because it always levels up my makeup. Like, I love it. Now don't forget to apply mascara for your under lashes. I didn't want to apply liner on my waterline because I wanted this look to be very simple. Now for the lips, I'm using this Zaron Cosmetics lipstick. It's a very deep dark brown shade, and I'm just going to use this to line my lips. After lining my lips, I decided to go in with the same Zaron Cosmetics concealer in the shade Earth as my lipstick, and it really made my makeup look very nude and everyday-ish. Now my lipstick game is never complete without a lip gloss. Like, never. I must add lip gloss for my lipstick. It's a must. Look at this Omalicha Achalugo Ego Yibo, eh? That's it for this video, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves. Bye.